All right, now let's talk about waste management. I'm not sure if you noticed this, but your trash compactor has a monster in it. A literal monster. Hazardous wildlife and no pest control? And you expect the maintenance department to work in that environment? Also, is there no lockout tagout, no emergency shutoff, and no interlocks to make sure we aren't crushing our own people? Was the goal efficient waste disposal, or was it spontaneous workplace fatalities? Okay, can someone walk me through the procedure? Because it looks right now like it's step 1, throw trash in. Step 2, walls slam shut violently.
3BO! Come in, 3BO!
Step 3, hope no one was in there. This thing is a death trap.
It's a trap!
Someone invite the fish guy to the next safety committee meeting. Real sharp observation. It's actually more effective than most of our weapons, but nobody seems to notice that. That's 2 workplace hazards in 1 room. And right now, I'm seeing a 50-50 chance that anyone taking out the trash becomes the trash.
All right, TIE Fighter cockpit review time. Here we go.
No seat belts? No backup oxygen system? You're telling me if you get hit, you just spin out into space? At least the maintenance droid's preventative maintenance plan keeps things from falling apart mid-flight, right? Can I see these maintenance droids?
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
They sure aren't. So basically, it's less of a fighter and more of a high-speed coffin with wings. I'm convinced the Empire is intentionally making sure nobody survives long enough to file a safety complaint. Let's talk about these hallways. You've got cables running across the floor,
Help! I think I'm melting. This is all your fault.
exposed pipes everywhere, and doors that slam shut whenever they feel like it. Is this a job site or an obstacle course designed by Darth Vader? Some poor guy's gonna lose a hand one day, and not even from a lightsaber. Your biggest threat isn't actually Luke Skywalker, it's your lack of hazard mitigation skills.
He told me enough.
And these little droids, what are they doing? Because I'm 90% sure that that one's been turning left for over an hour. Also, why are there so many bodies just laying around? Do they just die from slips, trips, and falls? The housekeeping is a disaster, and hazard identification seems non-existent. This workplace is more messy than finding out your arch nemesis is actually your dad.
I am your father.
Whew, awkward. This is why I tend to steer clear of family-run businesses. Every safety issue comes with interpersonal drama. I've never recommended therapy in a safety report before, but I actually think that might be necessary in this case.